What if I told you that you could create thousands of YouTube shorts or Instagram reels in just minutes without even writing a single script manually? Sounds wild, right? But it's 100% possible, and I'm about to show you how. Right now, creators are making over thousands of dollars every single month just by posting these AI shorts on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. All you need is just one tool. And I have dropped the link for it in the description below so you can access this software instantly. So just click it, sign up in seconds, and you are ready to go. So if you ever wanted to automate your content and earn from it, this is your chance. In the link in the description, this will be the interface. Now let's start with creating Reddit stories. So as you can see, you can create your custom script here, and even you can import the script from the Reddit itself. But the option which I love the most is of AI script. Just you have to brief your idea here, and then that's it. This whole software will create the script in just couple of seconds. Just you need a brief about your video topic. So as you can see, I have briefed him about the topic, and let's see what masterpiece does it generates. And then you can see he has generated whole script in just couple of seconds. This is really mind blowing. Even though if you try to create these kind of videos normally, it could easily take up plenty of hours, but hats off to this software for creating the options like this and to help the creators to grow more and create plenty of shorts in less amount of time. So as you can see, I am selecting the captions here which will be suitable for the video, and I guess I shall go with this because it looks fascinating. And then after that, just you have to select the voiceover, and I guess I shall be going up with this, but let's adjust the voice speed, and I guess 100 is enough for here. As you can see, you get plenty of options here, and even you can add the background music, but I am not adding it in order to avoid the copyright issues. And it hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes to generate the whole video. Max to max it can take up to 5 minutes, but yes, the final video generated will be a masterpiece. And trust me guys, the video generated is awesomely perfect. Just in few minutes we have generated this video as compared to the video which would take plenty of hours to make without this software. So as you can see, the video is generating. So now let's see the final generated video, how it looks like.
Never thought I'd be spooked by a stranger on my own street. One rainy evening, I noticed a stranger trailing me as I walked home. I quickened my pace, my heart racing. He was dressed in a dark hoodie, face obscured. As I turned a street corner, he followed close behind. Just as I began to panic, he called out my name. "Emily!" he shouted, startling me. How did he know me? I never met him before. I turned, facing him with a mix of fear and confusion. "Who are you?" I demanded, trying to sound brave. He stepped closer, revealing a faint smile. "I was a friend of your brother's," he said. "My brother died years ago." Instinctively, I took a step back, feeling dread wash over me. This was too strange, too unnerving. Suddenly, the man raised his hands in surrender. "I just wanted to talk." I shook my head, turning to run. But as I sprinted toward my door, I felt a chill. Who was he really? Finally safe inside, I locked the door and dialed my friend. Someone knew my secrets, and fear settled deep in my bones.
Now let's go with generating the fake text messages. Now as you can see, again we get the option here of custom scripts in which you can create your video manually by adding the conversation. But again, I would like to go with the AI script option. As you can see, you can even make your script, and or else you can just copy paste the YouTube or any other video link here by which the video can be generated with the referring wala scene, and then again you can see the AI script. So I am just adding my video topic here, and let's go with this topic and let's see what stuff does it create in just seconds. And again generate. Now it's generating the whole conversation, and let's wait for it. Till that time you can click on the like button just below this video, And guys, you can see he has generated the whole script in just few seconds. Literally, it didn't even take a minute to generate, just a couple of seconds, and the whole video is ready. And you can see how much precisely and accurately he has generated the script without any error. So let me choose the perfect background for it, and okay, and now I guess I shall go with this interface because it looks kinda nice. And okay, after selecting the normal process, you have to just click on next, choose the any voiceover you wanna. I shall go with this now, and then just after that again click on generate the video. And let me adjust the voice speed here too. Like there are a few settings which you can explore up by yourself. I'm just giving you about the brief
social
idea
media
here.
is ruining our ability to communicate effectively.
I completely disagree. It's a platform that connects us in ways we never thought possible.
Sure, it connects us, but it's also a breeding ground for misunderstandings and negativity.
But think about all the support communities that have formed online. Surely that's a positive.
But at what cost? People are losing their ability to hold face-to-face conversations.
I believe it's up to individuals to balance their online and offline lives. It's not the platform's fault.
True, but there's a lot of pressure to constantly be connected, leading to anxiety.
That's a personal issue, not a social media issue. People need to manage their time better.
Maybe, but it feels like we're sacrificing genuine relationships for likes and follows.
Isn't it possible to have both? Authentic connections can exist in the digital space too.
Now my favorite section of this, creating an AI story. So after going on this option, again you get the option of custom script where you can create the script by your own separately. But again, this section is kinda interesting. As you can see, you get plenty of options here for generating the AI type of stories, and I will go with the urban legend. So let me add the starting hook, and after that also a CTA for ending, like I am adding any random thing. Okay, so let's see what does it create, because I really want to see how this works. So as you can see, he has generated the whole script in again just few seconds, literally just few seconds. And I'll click on next. This is kinda awesome. I will go with the dark style because we have selected the urban legend. And again then the same thing of selecting the captions, and as I have selected the captions, I will go with the voice over. Again I will choose this and adjust the voice speed here, and then background music low, and again generate video. So even this too can take up to 4 to 5 minutes, but the 4 to 5 minutes are easy rather than creating this video separately, which can take up to hours, right? So let's wait and see how this video will look like, and I'm damn sure that this will also be a perfectly created masterpiece in just few minutes. Okay, so let's see our final video looks like.
Do you know? In the heart of downtown, a glittering city both vibrant and ominous, whispers echoed about a missing artist. Clara, an eager journalist, heard tales of those who vanished into thin air, leaving behind eerie remnants. One night, she uncovered an abandoned studio filled with cryptic paintings. Each canvas depicted shadows of past lives. Eyewitnesses told differing stories. Some said it was a portal, others a haunted curse. Clara found a torn note. Seek the truth in the art of silence. Driven, she delved deeper, following threads of history revealing artists who had mysteriously disappeared throughout the decades. Were they lost to their own creations? Or had the city devoured them whole? The truth hung like fog, leaving Clara in an endless circle of pursuit, forever questioning her own existence in this urban maze. Subscribe for more spooky tales.
Again we have our one more option available here, and it is a dialogue generator. And again you can see here you get plenty of option for the AI scripts, and these kinds of videos also get viral on YouTube as well as various social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. And yes, people are also earning a huge amount by posting them and gathering views and doing sponsorships. So as you can see, again for this conversation I will go with the long form joke, and let's see how it goes. Just I have selected the script length and the language, and now let's see what it gives us. So the script is generating. Till that time guys, you can subscribe the channel. Okay, And then as you can see, our script has been created. It looks like kind of funny and interesting too, and here you get plenty of options to change your character, your avatar too. And this is really amazing. For real, I'm saying it's extremely useful as well as time saver for the creator like us who want to create many videos in few minutes or a short amount of time. So same, I have selected the background, and again I'll select the captions here, and same goes with the voiceover. Background music I will keep low and then generate, and let's see how this video will look like. Just imagine you get this much plenty of options in just one place, and it's Shorts AI. Really, they have created an awesome platform for us.
Did you ever time travel and end up in a timeline where everyone speaks in rhyme? Oh, absolutely. I tried ordering a coffee, and it sounded like a poem gone wrong. So, what happened when you asked for cream? The barista said, "A dream with cream is not a scheme. But here, take this gleam." Then what? Did you leave with a gleam in your eye? Of course. And proceeded to slip on a banana peel that was somehow a tie. A tie? You must have looked elegant, yet absurd, right? But then, the penguin started to dance and sing. Sounds delightful. Did you join the conga line of tuxedos? Well, I tried, but my feet turned into jelly. Jelly feet. Now that's a whole new level of time travel chaos. Next thing I knew, I was being chased by a giant donut. You mean to say a donut on the run? What a sugary dilemma, exactly. In that world, everyone was a dessert. I need to visit this world. Cupcake companions and cookie comrades.
And again, I found out that this is the bonus thing here, which is a caption generator. Even if you are a YouTuber or any content creator and you need caption for your video, you just have to upload your video here in this section in the caption generator, and it will generate the whole captions for your video. You don't have to use any other type of editor or anything for the caption. Just use this and you can see the whole video will be added with the captions. So this option was kinda helpful a lot, and as you can see, you even get a calendar here for scheduling the videos or reels which you will create here, and you can also upload it on various platforms with the schedule feature. So each and everything you will get it at one place, and the videos generated will be saved here. As you can see, I have also generated plenty of videos because this helps us to create plenty of stuff in just short amount of time with maintaining the quality. And there are various templates available here which you can explore. Till that time, bye bye.